Hello students, in the last video we learned about the distance formula, means how to find the distance between any 2 points which are in xy plane. Now today we are going to learn about the section formula. Now see here, this line AB is divided into two parts as AP and PB, means because of this P, this line AB, this segment AB is divided. Suppose the coordinates of A is x1, y1 and the coordinates of B is x2, y2 and the coordinates of P is x and y. This P divides this segment AB in the ratio M is and N, means M is to N. Now we have to draw, so I am writing here, let coordinates of A x1, y1 and B x2, y2. Suppose P divides divides segment AB in the ratio M is to N. You can see here this P divides this segment AB in the ratio M is to N, and coordinates of A is x1, y1. Here it is written x1, y1 and coordinates of B is x2, y2. Now we have to draw the perpendiculars from this all 3 points A, P and B on x-axis. So draw the perpendicular or AC segment AC, segment PQ and segment BDR perpendicular on x-axis. Now if any lines are perpendicular on the same line, if two or more than two lines are perpendicular on the same line, then these lines are parallel to each other, and therefore now here AC is parallel, therefore segment AC is parallel to segment PQ is parallel to segment BD. And the coordinates of C, now this C, Q and D, these 3 points are lying on x-axis, that's why their y coordinates are 0 and x coordinate is here. Therefore coordinates of C is x1 0, then Q x0 and D x2 0. And therefore now if these 3 lines are parallel to each other, these 3 lines AC, PQ and BD, if these 3 lines are parallel to each other, then by the property of 3 parallel lines, by the property of intercepts of 3 parallel lines, what is the property? These are the intercepts here, AP, PB, CQ and QD, these are the intercepts, and these 3 lines are parallel to each other, and if any lines are parallel to each other, then the ratio of their intercepts are equal. Means here we can write AP upon PB, it is equal to CQ upon QD, and it is equal to M is to N, means M upon N, because AP upon PB is equal to M upon N. This is 1. Now here AP upon PB is equal to CQ upon QD is equal to M upon N. But CQ is equal to, we can find the distance, CQ is equal to, but CQ is equal to, how we can find the distance? By the section formula here, CQ is equal to X minus X1. X minus X1 and QD is equal to X2 minus X. X2 minus X. Here 2. Substituting these values in 1. Substituting in 1, we get here CQ upon QD is equal to X minus X1. X minus X1. QD is equal to X2 minus X, that is equal to M upon N. Do the cross multiplication. So N into X minus X1 is equal to M into X2 minus X. Therefore, Nx minus Nx1 is equal to Mx2 minus Mx. Now these are the like terms. Nx and Mx, these are the like terms. So we can take at one side. So when we are taking this here, sign also change. That is, here it is minus, it will be plus when we are changing the side of any term from left to right or right to left. So here it will come Mx and this will come as it is, and this number is positive, that's why it is Nx. It is equal to Mx2, and we have to take this to the right side of equal to sign. This number is negative, it will be positive, that is Nx1. Therefore, now we can take here x common. We can take x common. So x into the bracket M plus N is equal to, now here Mx2 plus Nx1, and therefore x is equal to Mx2 plus Nx1 upon M plus N. That is the value of, in this way we can find the value of x. Means here coordinate, x coordinate of this point P, which divide this segment in the ratio P upon, in the ratio M is to N. Similarly, we can find, y is equal to My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. These are the x and y. These are the, in this way we can find the values of x and y, means the coordinates of point P, which are x and y, by using this section formula. The section formula means two sections here we got, and here it is divided in the ratio M is to N. That's why here x is equal to Mx2 plus Nx1 upon M plus N, which is the value of x, means which is the x coordinate, and here y is equal to My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N, which is the y coordinate, and which are the coordinates of the point P, which divide the segment AB in the ratio M is to N, and this is called the section formula. I hope you have understood this all theorem, formula, how to this formula we got to find the coordinates of any points which divide that segment. Thank you, students.